I'm Hannah and I run art workshops here at Flying Fish Studio. I love experimenting with different mediums and creating a space where adults and children can be creative too. Every week we have after-school clubs and homeschool workshops for children ages 6 to 14. I teach the children new skills and techniques, and then it's up to each child to decide what they'd like to create. The studio is arranged so that a wide variety of equipment and materials is available to the children at all times, so they have the freedom to choose whatever they'd like to work on. I hold a safe and encouraging space for children to give things a go and make mistakes without feeling that they're being judged. This enables their creativity to grow, and I see children become more confident and more resilient. The children who attend each week feel a sense of belonging to the group and to the studio. Each child has their own drawer for their ongoing projects. This is a homely environment and it's their space. Relationships are at the heart of all that I do. Each child is valued as an individual, and I nurture a caring atmosphere amongst the children. As well as the weekly clubs and workshops, children come here to celebrate birthdays and also for family get-togethers. And I can take the workshops out to other venues for large groups, such as schools, residentials and scouts. Please get in touch if you'd like to come and meet me and see the space.